is the 2022 Honda Pilot Black Edition, and I'm going to tell you why we chose it to replace our Y2K Honda Odyssey van after 22 happy years.
I've been teasing that a new vehicle is coming to the channel to replace our Y2K model year Honda Odyssey van that's served us well for 22 years. How does it make you feel?
A little sad.
Okay.
A little sad, a little excited.
Some of you made some great guesses, and in fact, some of the guesses were candidates. These guesses included GMC, the new Ford Bronco, and a car/SUV that I've done videos on in the past, the all-electric Mustang Mach-E. At the end of the day, my long-term satisfaction with the Honda brand and excellent blend of performance and features made the Honda Pilot our winner. I've often said that once you get used to a Honda, you can get in any other Honda and feel at home. Coming from a 2000 Odyssey and 2008 Accord, the 2022 Honda Pilot feels familiar, but much more powerful and modern. The driver's seat is infinitely adjustable for a wide range of body sizes, and all of the controls are clear and logically laid out. I can't imagine getting used to it to be difficult for anybody, no matter what vehicle you're coming from. To replace our minivan, we wanted room for passengers and our dogs, plus a reliable all-wheel drive system to handle the snowy roads of eastern Pennsylvania and beyond. We also wanted the option to tow, and the Pilot can haul up to 5,000 pounds. More on that later. Cargo space was also high on our list, and the Pilot, Honda's largest SUV, is pretty big with all of the seats down. Although I have to admit it doesn't come close to the Odyssey. The 2022 Honda Pilot platform isn't new. It was redesigned in 2015, and a brand new Pilot platform is in the works for 2023. While it's cool to have the latest model, when you're spending north of $50,000, I'm hesitant to buy the first year's run of a new platform. This 2022 Black Edition is the top of Honda's Pilot line. It's luxurious, yet sporty on the inside, and I love the blacked out exterior features, especially the aggressive front grille, LED headlights, and mix of gloss and matte black design elements. All 2022 Honda Pilots come standard with a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 24-valve VTEC V6 engine. The Black Edition is mated to a 9-speed auto trans with all-wheel drive settings for snow, mud, and sand, in addition to normal mode and sports mode with paddle shifters. The Pilot returns a respectable 19 mpg city and 26 mpg highway with an average of 22 miles per gallon. It's loaded with safety features and driver assistive technology, as well as all of the electronic goodies like auto LED headlights, rain-sensing wipers, security, auto start, auto lock, parking sensors, foot-actuated rear hatch, and 16 cup holders. The interior is a spacious open cockpit with second-row captain's chairs, third-row seating that brings the people hauling capacity to 7, an opening moonroof, and a huge fixed panoramic skylight, making this a comfortable road trip beast. The Black Edition features heated and ventilated custom leather seats with red stitching, red ambient lighting, and black wheels and trim, eliminating all chrome with the exception of the logos and name badges. At a little over 4,300 pounds, this beast can hustle. While I couldn't find the 0 to 60 time on the Honda website, Car and Driver and Motor Trend have both clocked the all-wheel drive Pilot at a respectable 6.2 second sprint to 60 from a stop. I've found the all-wheel drive system to be smooth and fun, inspiring confidence through the twisties for a full-size SUV. And while my Pilot's stablemate, a 2019 Mustang GT, announces its presence with an unruly growl and crackle, the Pilot is whisper quiet by comparison. In fact, it's so unassuming in its exhaust note that there's been times I wish it had a louder growl, because some people don't know when to get out of the way. The feature list for the Black Edition is so complete that I bought the Pilot with only one dealer option: the automatic transmission fluid cooler, which added $679 to the purchase price of just under $52,000. When you buy the two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive Pilot, the default towing capacity is 3,500 pounds. But Honda literature lists the maximum towing capacity as 5,000 pounds for the all-wheel drive model, with a footnote to, quote, "see your Honda dealer for details." That detail is that you need the OEM Honda ATF cooler installed to be warranty approved to tow 5,000 pounds. I installed an aftermarket ATF cooler on our Honda Odyssey when we started towing a camper with it, and I credit that mod with helping that van last us 150,000 miles over the last 22 years. I bought my Pilot at Keenan Honda in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Since inventory was scarce, we test drove a 2021 Black Edition Pilot.
Hey, are you in the mood for some irony? This is the Honda Pilot Black Edition in white.
We loved it, so I left a deposit on a black 2022 Black Edition. I paid full sticker price, which I expected to given the current inventory shortages. My dealership did not add a premium onto the price of the car, like I have seen elsewhere.
Gotta love the Black Edition. It looks, I don't even see a bug on it. That's how good a job they did with their detailing.
I know.
When we picked it up, Brian, my sales consultant, surprised us with this little perk for doing business.
Hi guys, I'm Brian Kimmy from Keenan Honda, and I just want to check in and let everybody know that every new vehicle you buy from us, you get your first 3 oil changes on us and free lifetime state inspection for as long as you own the vehicle.
Put the windows up. Ooh, and it's auto up even for the passenger. I like that. Emergency brake off. Here we go.
We were also able to take advantage of Honda's 0% interest financing. My advice to anyone purchasing a vehicle now is to find a dealership that is not marking up the sticker price. Plus, it pays to be knowledgeable about any manufacturer's sales and financing deals, which seem to change monthly, and are available on the national brand's website.
I'm excited to share our upcoming adventures, owner experiences, and creature comfort mods with you in upcoming episodes. As always, please leave your comments and questions in the space below. Be good, be well, and be safe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. I fixed it.
Old dependable.
The Odyssey that's going away, kind of
Bye,
sad.
Big Blue.
I love that vehicle. Over 21 years of happiness. Barely anything ever went wrong with that thing. It just ran and ran and ran and ran. It was wonderful.
I wondered if calling her Blue would have been prophetic for the engine, but as long as we called it that, it didn't blow. I don't think anyone will get that. Okay, now it's official. I opened the moonroof. All right, let's go give them some money. Or not give them some money and take advantage of Honda's 0% financing.
Okay, all right. Here you go.